Cell. Basic unit of life. 1. All organisms are made of cells. 2. Two types: single-celled amoeba, paramecium, and multicellular plants, animals. Cell characteristics. 1. Structural and functional unit of life. 2. Smallest unit of life. 3. Varying shapes and sizes. 4. Perform various activities. Basic properties of life. 1. Movement, internal, external. 2. Respiration, energy production. 3. Homeostasis, stable internal environment. 4. Growth, change in size, shape. 5. Reproduction, offspring production. 6. Excretion, waste removal. 7. Nutrition, material, gas exchange. Cell functions. Cells perform all 7 basic properties of life. Robert Hooke, 1665. 1. English scientist. 2. Observed cork under a simple microscope. 3. Saw tiny empty spaces with walls, honeycomb structure. 4. Coined the term, cells. Schleiden and Schwann, 1838. 1. German botanist Schleiden, and zoologist Schwann. 2. Examined various plant and animal cells. 3. Concluded cells are only units forming tissue structures. 4. Recognized similarities between plant and animal cells, except cell walls. 5. Formulated cell theory. Rudolf Virchow, 1858. 1. Observed cell division. 2. Concluded new cells develop from pre-existing cells. Cell theory principles. 1. Cells are the basic units of structure and function. 2. All organisms are composed of one or more cells. 3. Cells arise from pre-existing cells through division. Validation of cell theory. Experimental evidences. 1. Cells can survive independently, outside tissues. 2. Nothing smaller than a cell can live independently. 3. Cells can't grow in sealed, sterile conditions, ready, Pasteur. Exceptions to cell theory. 1. Viruses. Acellular, no cell machinery. Alive only inside host cells. 2. Viroids and prions. Similar to viruses. Acellular. 3. Red blood cells, RBCs, and sieve tube cells. Lack nucleus. Cannot divide. 4. Bacteria and cyanobacteria. No organized nucleus. No nuclear membrane, nucleolus, or nucleoplasm. 5. Coenocytic hyphae, rhizopus, and alga vuceria. Multinucleate. 6. Protozoans. Acellular, body not divided into cells.